Look what I have here. It's a number 2. Yes, no, well, it's not number 2 in number, but if you go through the line, you order a number 2 Chick-fil-A spicy chicken sandwich. How do I know that? Come on. My wife's favorite sandwich. I got it by memory. She doesn't even have to tell me what she wants. She just says, Chick-fil-A, I know it's a number 2 spicy sandwich. Why am I telling you this? Because we're going to show you how to make a Chick-fil-A spicy sandwich. What's going to be my copycat recipe. You're going to want to check this out because you know it's what we're doing chicken. Hey, if you haven't noticed already, we are doing all these copycat things. I've got Chick-fil-A down. So you want to check out our videos. We got the sauce, man. We got the nuggets. We got the sandwich, and we have the sandwich, okay? So please, if you have any comments, put it down below. Let me know what you think about spicy sandwiches. We love to do some spicy chicken sandwiches together, share some recipes. Love to do that as well. And you know you're going to stick around because I've got so many recipes to share. You know, I've been cooking for over 60 years and loving every second of it and teaching as well. So lots of knowledge to share, and we're going to get started. First of all, I have my boneless, skinless chicken breast. Got it right here. I'm going to hook it up. How do I hook it up? Got some hot sauce. Well, spicy. I said spicy, right? Hot sauce. Let's get in there. Hey, every drop. Pickle juice. We're marinating it, okay? Not for long. Half an hour is all we need. Milk. All those acids, lactic acid, vinegar, okay? And there's vinegar in the hot sauce as well. It's going to cause the meat to open up its pores and soak in all those wonderful flavors and juices. That's what we're all about, right? Flavor. Everything we do is about the flavor, and this is going to be all about the flavor. So in the refrigerator, about a half an hour, and then we're going to show you how to make our nice batter and breading mix. Oh, it's going to be so tasty. Our chicken has been properly marinated for a half an hour. I've got my breading mixture. I've got my batter ready. So let's go ahead and do this. Now we're going to double dip it, okay? So that means we're going to put it in the batter, into the breading, back into the batter, back into the breading, and then into the hot peanut oil, okay? So here it is. Look. Oh man, that looks so good. Let's go ahead and put that right in there. It's picked up lots of flavors from the hot sauce, picked up flavors from the pickle juice as well as the milk. Go ahead and turn it, be sure it's properly coated. And now into the breading mixture. And the breading mixture has the cayenne, so you know it's going to be kicked up quite a few notches. And also has some paprika, which is going to give it some beautiful color as it's cooking. All right, so now I've got it breaded once. Do it again. Look, into the batter, flip it. Oh, look how that color is coming out. Whoa, so good. Oh, all right. Let's be sure it's properly coated. Be sure we didn't miss any little spots here and there because we want that coating all the way around because that's what's going to make it taste so good and be so crispy. All right, when you put it into the hot oil, be sure you got it 350 degrees. We already checked our temperature. And now we're going to place it in there slowly. Don't drop it. Just place it in there and let it cook. Yes, let it cook up. All right, let's check this. Remember, 165. If we get 165, it's going to be perfect. All right, our chicken looks gorgeous. I got to tell you, it looks so beautiful. Okay, it's getting up there. Okay, come on up. Just a few more. All right, I'm just going to set it here on my paper toweling, let it drain just a little bit. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and place my pickle chips right here on the sandwich. And here it is. Hot, spicy. Look at this. This is my version of well, I'm not going to say number 2 because it's a number 1 for us. This is our Chick-fil-A copycat sandwich, spicy, delicious. And that's Chick-fil-A sandwich. I know which one I want. So hey, hit the like button. Let us know you like it. Definitely got to subscribe. We certainly want you to see all of our videos, and we got so many copycat videos. Chick-fil-A, all your favorites are on there, including the sauce, okay? So please do that. Check us out on Patreon. It's so important because when you sign up for Patreon, we're going to give you exclusive videos. You're going to see the videos before anybody else on YouTube gets to see the videos. And in addition to that, we're going to give you early access, and we're going to show you some behind-the-scenes nonsense, things that you'd like to see what's really going on when we're getting ready to show you our best. And remember, as always, okay, our recipes are simple and delicious.